Hi guys, it's Layla. I'm going to be making a slime video and let's just get right into it. So I am back and I'm going to be doing the clickage and I'm going to be stretching it sometimes. Sometimes it breaks apart. It's good slime though. It feels fluffy and everything. So let's just play with my slime. So sometimes I do this. Sometimes I let it sit for some time and let it soften up and